How to make money as an affiliate without a website. The following are the procedures that must be taken in order to make money as an affiliate without a website. Step 1. Join the affiliate program. The first step is to join up as an affiliate. To do so, fill out the form to become an affiliate. Only then will you be eligible to receive links to advertise products from the website and earn money. Step 2. Search for a product and apply for permission. After you've signed in and created your affiliate account, you'll find a number of options in your account dashboard. When you locate a product you'd like to promote, click on it, then request permission to promote the product. Once you've been granted permission to market the product, you'll be given an affiliate link to use to promote it. Step 3: Make a video about your product. This phase requires you to make a video explaining the product you wish to market, which you may do using tools such as Camtasia, The Flow of the Screen, for Mac. Time is of the essence, comes with all Macs. Screencast-O-Matic. When you have the software, make a slideshow using presentation software. Some recommended slideshow presentation software is Google Presentations, Microsoft PowerPoint, for PC, The Main Point, for Mac, Scribe for Video, for animated videos. The following procedure can be used to advertise the product. Review of the product. Product in comparison to product. The finest aspects of the product. Step 4: Upload your video to YouTube. The next step is to publish your video on YouTube. YouTube is an excellent site to advertise affiliate products because it is the world's second largest search engine with hundreds of millions of daily views. If you don't already have a YouTube account, you'll need to get one because you can't use YouTube without one. Step 5: Optimize your video. Before you publish your video on YouTube, you must optimize it so that it can be found. When you optimize a video, you are informing YouTube and Google what your video is about. To optimize your video, follow the steps below. Make sure the title is relevant to what people are searching for, such as Value Delivery Pro. Check to see if your keyword, which is also your title, is included in the description. At the bottom of the video, include product-related keywords in your tag. You must have an attention-getting thumbnail. You may now share your video. Step 6: Drive traffic to your video. The very last thing you should do is to generate viral attention for your video from a variety of sponsored and unpaid traffic sources. Thanks you for watching.